Hey dolls, welcome back to another hair video. Shout out to Luvwin Hair for sending over this 4C edges kinky bob wig. This wig is 13 by 4. It comes with elastic bands, it comes with combs, and it has an elastic grip, so when you're wearing your wig it doesn't come off. And it has a 4C edges, which makes this wig look like your natural hair. My favorite thing about this wig is that you can wear it glueless as well. In today's video I will be doing the glueless method, so let's get right into it. I'm going to use this HD cap to put over my braids, and then I'm going to use my foundation color and just put that on the lace of the wig. I'm not going to put it on the cap because it really did not show, so all I need to do is put a little bit on the lace, and then I'm going to adjust the straps how I like it and put the wig on. As you can see, the lace to this wig is so good, y'all. Like, you can see it. I didn't even have to bleach the lace, and it's just perfect. So now I'm going to cut the lace right under the baby hair, and I'm doing it in like a zigzag motion so it won't look like a straight line just cut across. I decided to go with the side part, and I'm going to hot comb both sides with my wax stick. So now I'm going to pull out the hair that I want as baby hair, and then just to make the wig a little bit more secure for me, I'm going to spray some lace holding spray right there on the lace where the baby hair is, y'all can see, and I'm just going to blow dry it. And this way the wig will feel more secure, and I'm going to do this for both sides. So now that my baby hairs are done, I'm going to go in with my wand and just wand the hair. And I am so glad how this came out, y'all. It literally looks like I wanded my real hair. And that is it, y'all. Look how beautiful this wig came out. It looks so natural. It was super easy to apply, and we didn't even have to use any glue to achieve the look.